2 ways to fix your bad credit score for free. Some people's favorite word is free. And here are 2 ways to fix your bad credit score for free. What up? You got Mr. Smith. Point 5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And in this brief video, I want to talk about 2 quick ways that you can fix your bad credit score for free. Now, this is what you got to understand as it relates to credit. When it comes to your credit, it really is important for you to get an understanding of how credit works. You want to get educated on it. You don't want to just go in it blindly, because when you're educated on the things that go into your credit score, now you know what areas you need to work on that directly affect you. Everybody else's solution is not going to be applicable to your situation. Your scenario may be different. So it may be things that you want to focus on primarily due to the things that you have done that got your credit in the place that it is right now. So understand that education and information is going to be the solution to your situation. I can't help it. I speak around all the time. Anyway, look, so 2 free ways, and I want to make this short and sweet just so you can get busy and get access to what it is that I'm talking about. And we've been giving this away left and right, like hotcakes on Clubhouse, on other platforms as well, and just been giving it away for years. And people have gotten results from it because it's thorough and it makes sense. And then once they tap into that education, it's all about implementation. You got to apply what it is that you learn. Otherwise, you just wasted time. And I hope you're not into wasting your time. So if you're going to tap into it, use it. Otherwise, you waste your time. And your time is a bigger asset than the money that you may think is the number one thing you should chase. That said, what are the 2 ways that you can boost your score for free? Well, it all boils down to 2 free things that we've created that you can tap into that we feel will educate you enough to give you an understanding of how credit works and things that you can do in order to restore your credit. At least get the ball rolling. And you want to grab both of these things. Otherwise, you may have some questions that are unanswered that gets answered in the more thorough version of the freebie that we have for you. So how do you go about getting access to the freebies, and what are the 2 things to help you boost your credit? Number 1 is a free credit class. We have a free credit class that you can get instant access to. Click that link below, get instant access, grab it, put your email address in, it's yours. Number 2, we got a free credit crash course, also known as a 5-day credit challenge. Click that link, put in your email, and we'll approve you to get access to where the information is housed pertaining to the free credit crash course. So those are 2 ways that you can go about boosting your bad credit score free of charge on us. All we ask is that if you implement and learn something, you apply it, and then you let us know what your testimony is as it relates to how it helped you enhance your credit score. So that's all we got for this brief video. Grab those free things because that can definitely help you take your credit from where it is now to where you want it to go. And then you may have some further questions beyond that, and we'll get more specific if necessary. But for now, enjoy. You're welcome. And thank us later. Mr. Smith signing out. Salute.